again. Take a big drink.
You're silly, buddy.
You're a goofball.
Do it again.